Hi, welcome back. Today I'm excited to share some updates on this stunning property. The last time we visited, it was still in the completion stages. And now it's been furnished and even looking more impressive. So let's begin with the living room. As you can see, the furnishing is very exceptional. The neutral color palette has been carefully chosen to match the aesthetic of the place. Another highlight of this property is the kitchen. As you can see, it's been very well created, and the beauty about it is that it's got the dry and the wet kitchen, this being the dry kitchen. And if you follow me, you'll find the wet kitchen where all the heavy cooking is done. The dining area has also been perfectly designed to match with the living room area and the kitchen. So all that's missing is a bit of artwork, and then everything will just be perfect. Follow me as we move towards the bedrooms. This is the master suite, and as you open, you are welcomed with the walk-in closet. And as you move towards here, you can see how the bed has already been set up. You've got your relaxation chair over here, and the bed over here, and a very nice balcony. That's very separate from the rest of the other balconies. That's the living room balcony and the other room's balcony. Moving on here, we've got the bathtub that's quite big enough, and over here we've got the vanity with double sinks and LED lights on the mirror. On top of the beautiful interiors, this apartment complex offers a range of amenities, including a swimming pool, a gym and sauna, parking slots for all the apartment units. And the beauty about this area is that it's very close to shopping centers, some of the best schools in Kampala, and it's overall a very quiet and safe area. We would absolutely recommend this place because it comes with options of 1, 2 and 3 bedroom, which is perfect for just a single person or a family.